Hey guys, welcome back. It's the 12th of November 2025. Let's talk about it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make it 600 today in 7 years. And let's get into the video. So today has been a pretty hard day. We had a lot of things to fix, unfortunately, and that went into the study time that I usually have. And yeah, let's talk about it. So basically, everything started as usual. We went to work and we did our little bit of routine. And then I got a pop-up that one of the Korean learning apps says, no, we have problems with our app and you cannot use it right now. So I only could use like 5 words because before they give the announcement, and that was pretty unfortunate. So I couldn't do like the 30 review words and the 15 new words I usually do a day. But yeah, it is how it is, and I want to work as usual. We did finish the course, but now we have to prepare for the Prisma course because I haven't used Prisma before. I just want to check it a little bit, and we'll see about that. Then I had to bike home, and I had a flat tire, so I had to do some decision making because yeah, when you have a flat tire, obviously, I had a backup of a bike here, which was really fortunate. But yeah, I had to go home, so my bike is somewhere on the street, but it's locked, and we'll fix that this weekend. So that's the second thing that happened. The third thing is that I lost my key, but I found it back eventually. It was somewhere on the street because I backtracked where I walked and what I did. So that is really fortunate, but yeah, it took me a while and I discovered some things I shouldn't have been discovering socially, which I'm not going to talk about this video because it's outside of the scope. The fourth thing is that yesterday I told that my internet connection is broke. These videos are uploaded by mobile data, but I don't have a lot of mobile data, so this is one of the few things that I have. And I called them, and yesterday there was a disruption, but today I still had problems, and apparently my modem router is broken, so they have to send a new one. But yeah, that's gonna take maybe a week, and which is also very unfortunate. And I only have backup for like 2 or 3 days, cold backups for if these things happen. So last year I also had a lot of problems with my internet, and I decided that if my problems are gonna take more than 2 or 3 days, I will buy a second connection. So yeah, today we bought a second connection, and this connection is gonna be tomorrow. I only have to pick up the box somewhere near my work, and we'll see about that. So that is something that we have fixed. But all these times and effort takes time, and yeah, it took time away from when I usually currently study. So yeah, that was really unfortunate, and also a couple of small other things happened, which made this day really unfortunate happening and just kept happening. And yeah, lesson learned for me is that you have to test your cold backups if they still work, because the backup that I had in front of my door for my key, for example, didn't work anymore because one of the neighbors changed it, and this neighbor is doing really hard to get about it. So we broke contact, and which is very unfortunate. Yeah, so now I have to buy a new backup and yeah, put in the key there. Also, I realized that I have a false key, which means that a key that doesn't work. So I have to drill in one another, and was actually the time that I talked about it with my mom and my dad. I was like, hey, we're going digital. Why do we still have keys in Europe and America? Why can we not use the digital keys like we do in Asia? What's the issue here? Right? There's probably some privacy notice and some legal issues, but I'm just gonna drill it in because yeah, I live alone and I need access. So yeah, it's been a pretty unfortunate day, but we're topping it off nicely. And yeah, we have some things to do, but hopefully we can get back on track tomorrow. But yeah, emergencies, emergencies, guys. There's nothing else I can do about it, right? But lesson learned, I have to also test my cold backups if they still work, or have a backup of a backup, right? And I didn't have those. Even if the problems that I had were quickly solved, some of them were not solvable today, but some of them do. Um, yeah, this should not be, because I have these backups, and if they fail, why have backup, right? So this makes me think to also have like a backup computer or something. I don't know. What should I do, guys? Like, do I need to back up everything? No, I'm going crazy. I'm saying that. That's not true. Um, but definitely something like when it comes to maybe something having into the cloud backup data, that will be very useful. All right, I'm gonna round this video off. We'll see about that. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make it 6 or 7 years. And we're back. Back with studying tomorrow, because I will have internet connection again from another provider. I will have two, indefinitely for now. And yeah, there's gonna be a stream this weekend. We're gonna stream GraphQL with some REST APIs, GraphQL API, and we'll see how it works behind the scenes and play around with it for like an hour or something. And yeah, I will see you soon.